I have a Honda Pilot here with a nasty quarter panel wound.
Talking about it, I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it, I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for free.
I have a Chrysler 200 here. This one got smacked good in the front, and I'm getting ready to dive into, I gotta replace the front section of this upper rail here, where this is all twisted up. So, and there's actually a factory seam with a few welds where this piece connects here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm gonna make a couple pulls on this just to get it roughly where it's supposed to be, and then I'll go ahead and cut this front section off. Alright, on to my next one. I have a Nissan Pathfinder here. This one got hit in the rear bumper, and you can see it push this rear body panel in quite a bit. I'm going to attempt to repair this one. I'll find out how it goes once I start making some pulls on it. But I think it might walk out. I'm going to put a tab on right here. And I think if I make just the right couple pulls, I think a lot of this is just going to walk right back into shape. But we will find out, so I'm going to go ahead and put one tab on it, make a pull, and go from there. All right, I got this bumper. It fits and sits on here very nicely. I'm going to climb in this trunk. I want to make sure it's sealing across here. I believe it is, because that wasn't really moved in that area, but I want to double check it. So I'm going to climb in here and make sure it's sealing properly. And it looks like it's sealing very nicely across here. So being that all of this fits very nicely, I'm going to go ahead and pull this bumper back off, clean up the rest of that rear body panel, and this one will be ready for paint. I have a Honda Pilot here with a nasty quarter panel wound right here. Looks like it's been like that for a long while. But I'm going to try to repair this thing. I'm going to have to put some tabs right on here in order to work that, bring that line out, pull it out, and then work the edge of that door at the same time in order to get this line and this gap correct right here. So I'm going to start working the metal on this right now and work the door and the quarter panel at the same time and get that gap correct.